ClickDimensions has some amazing social posting capabilities. You can create new posts for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. You can come in and just create your wonderful, beautiful post. I always encourage a hyperlink here, and I'll tell you why in a second. But also, pretty uniquely to us, we allow you to add PDFs. So put in some white papers, some content, really make your post stand out. You can also add in images and everything that best reflect this post. And then from there, you'll be able to pick when you want this to go out. So immediately or a couple of weeks from now, maybe 10 a.m. sounds nice. Perfect. So I'm able to create my posts. I can associate them to Dynamics campaigns as well. So that way these posts will feed back into your CRM system. And then from there, you're able to see when people are clicking on your post, whether that be the hyperlink that you put in or that PDF. And we're going to pull that back into Dynamics where you'll be able to see all of your posts and your marketing calendar so you can see what your social activity looks like along with the rest of your ClickDimensions marketing. But also, we're pulling those social clicks back into CRM as well. So if we've identified them via the web tracking tool, then we would be able to see, hey, Marissa clicked on this post. So just like we could see Marissa, was sent this email and has opened it 15 times and has been on the website and filled out these web forms. Oh, and Marissa is clicking on these social posts. If we haven't identified who that person is, no worries. We'll still pull in the fact that someone has clicked on your social post. That way you could still say, hey, we, ran this post and it got 50 clicks. That's brilliant. So we're streamlining the process by being able to schedule posts in advance. We're pulling that into CRM with the rest of the marketing activity. We're trying to identify who the people are that click on these posts. And then you can take it even further with our campaign automation builder. So in campaign automation, we have this social click trigger that allows you to, if someone clicks on your social posts and we have identified them, what would you like to happen next? So maybe you post on social media and someone clicks and you want to send them a follow-up email with more information about that post. Or maybe you want to add them onto that particular interest marketing list so you can use them on a future campaign. Or maybe you want to make some internal people aware that they are interacting with your posts. This is a great way to have what they're interacting with on social kick off these next steps and calls to action and really just enhance your overall social experience.